I am teacher, I was teacher, I shall be teacher, I am being teacher, I was being teacher, I shall be being teacher, I have been teacher, I had been teacher, I shall have been teacher, I have been being teacher, I had been being teacher, I shall have been being teacher, I can be teacher, I could be teacher, I may be teacher, I might be teacher, I must be teacher, I should be teacher, I would be teacher, I ought to be teacher, I can have been teacher, I could have been teacher, I may have been teacher, I might have been teacher, I must have been teacher, I should have been teacher, I would have been teacher, I ought to have been teacher, I ought to be teacher, I had to be teacher, I shall have to be teacher, I am going to be teacher, I am about to be teacher, I am likely to be teacher, I am able to be a teacher. I have been, I had been, I shall have been. I am having been, I was having been, I shall be having been. I have had been, I had been, I shall have had been. I have been having been, I had been having been, I shall have been having been. I can have been, I could have been, I may have been, I might have been, I must have been, I should have been, I would have been, I ought to have been. I cannot have been, I could have had been, I may have had been, I might have had been, I must have had been, I should have had been, I would have had been, I ought to have been. I ought to have been, I had to have been, I shall have to happen, I'm going to happen, I'm about to happen, I'm likely to happen, I'm able to happen. I want to it, I dare to it, I fear to it, I need to it, I like to it, I manage to it, I refuse to it, I permit to it, I expect to it, I know how to it. I stop writing, I finish writing, I delay writing, I postpone writing, I avoid writing, I enjoy writing, I practice writing, I